Hi, this is Gary from JIRA Transformation, and this is the overview of the JIRA Connector within Smartsheet. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of the JIRA Connector. The JIRA Connector for Smartsheet enables you to map data between JIRA and Smartsheet, and then synchronize data automatically based on the rules and filters applied within your JIRA Connector workflow. For this overview, I've created a very simple project plan, as you can see here, within JIRA software. Although it's worth noting that the JIRA Connector can also work well with JIRA Service Desk and JIRA Core. So I'm just going to move on and show you the JIRA Connector. Obviously for this overview I've already set up the connector to sync the data between JIRA and Smartsheet. However, this is a one-time only affair. It requires the sysadmin from Smartsheet and the sysadmin from JIRA to establish a connection. But once that connection is established, then people with permissions to the connector can then set up workflows to sync data between the two systems. So I'm just going to take you through the workflow that I previously set up. There are 5 different screens to this workflow. This is the first screen, and once you've set up workflow up once, you can't actually change anything on this screen. The first option is just showing you how you want to synchronize the data between the systems, and I've set it to synchronize both ways, although you can actually update that within the fields section I'll show you shortly. It's just what sheet do you actually want to pull the data in from JIRA into. So that's my sheet within Smartsheet, and then again, what project do I want to sync data from JIRA into Smartsheet, and that's the name of the project. On to the next screen. These are the fields that I want to bring from JIRA into Smartsheet. This is the JIRA name, and this is the name that I want to bring it into my Smartsheet as. This middle section shows you how I want to synchronize it. So you can see that I can push from Smartsheet data to JIRA, from JIRA to Smartsheet only, or actually a two-way sync. So you can see the majority of my fields are actually a one-way sync between JIRA and Smartsheet. However, I've set 2 up, description and status, as a two-way sync. And I'll show you that a little bit later in the demonstration. This one is around filter JIRA issues. So I can actually say only bring, for example, issue types, only bring epics through, or tasks or subtasks, for example, if I wanted to, but I don't, and I'm going to bring everything through. Again, sheet filters, it's just where I can apply some filters going the other way from Smartsheet. Again, I'm not going to do that. And this one is just around grouping, although I've just sort of said, look, maintain the JIRA hierarchy within the Smartsheet project. Again, that's fine. And the next one is just saving what you've done, really. So I'm just going to save that workflow, and it's going to overwrite that data. You can see it's in progress, and it's going to take about 30 seconds or so to run. And once it's run, it will give me a time and date stamp of when it last run. But pretty much in regards to the JIRA connector, anytime a change is made within JIRA for the project that's been synchronized, it will automatically update within Smartsheet. Normally takes like 30 seconds or so to do, and the same going the other way. As you can see, this is just updated now, just took under a minute, and that's updated. And this is the Smartsheet. I'm just going to refresh the Smartsheet now. And this is the Smartsheet project that we're going to bring the information into. Okay, so just going to demonstrate now how to synchronize data between 2 systems. Just to let you know, this is the information that's being brought through from JIRA. These 3 columns on the end are just some additional reporting that or metrics I've added onto the end to help with some reporting, which I'll show you shortly. But if you can see that on CSDP 9, currently it's in progress, and you go to the JIRA thing over here, say, look, it's in progress here, but actually I'm going to say that this is now completed. So I'm just going to click on this, when it lets me, and I'm going to say completed. There we go. Just going to save that. And you'll see shortly, again, it takes normally about 30 seconds or so, that this will come back and this will change to a status of completed. We'll just wait for that, and I'll fast forward that until it updates. There you go. You can see that's updated now. It's been ticked. My other metrics I've put in here, some formulas have updated as well. You can see that the project is moved to 30% complete. If I actually wanted to say, I was in a meeting and said, okay, well, this subtask has been done as well, I'm going to have that as complete. I can set that and press save. And then if I go back to JIRA, under CDS 9 here, there's a subtask. Here you can see that this will shortly change to completed as well. And there you go, it's updated to completed. So that's just showing you the sort of the two-way sync between the systems. I suppose one of the benefits of bringing information from JIRA into Smartsheet is for reporting. And what I've done is I've used this information here that's brought across from JIRA. Again, like I said, I've added some additional metrics on here just to update and bring the information through to a dashboard. So you can see the project name, the status, the percentage complete, and if I update that, that will reflect the latest percentage that we saw on our project, which was 30%. Just update this now. And you see now this will come through as 30%. There you go. It's telling us the stage we're at. So the proposed solution stage, number of epics, tasks and subtasks, how these are broken down in regards to what's been completed, etc. Number of to-dos by user. It shows you a calendar view, etc. And the key milestones of the project in a Gantt view. So there's quite a few things you can actually do within Smartsheet to actually show some decent reporting. So there you have it. That's the JIRA connector for Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.